Okie dokie, everybody. So it's time to do that not CV boot, but power steering boot now. So let's jump right into it. Let me take you guys close. Alrighty, so here we go. So first thing we have to do in order to get this thing out is we gotta crack the jam nut loose. I'm hoping that won't be too hard. Oh, I guess it rained out a little bit more. Anyways, let me just dry all this stuff off. And the key to doing that is cracking the jam nut loose. Let me grab a wrench. I think it's a 22 mil. Looks like a 22 mil. Alright. So, am I correct? Of course I'm correct. So we cracked the jam nut loose. Just like so. Then we have to take off the ball joint nut. Just pull out the big guns for this. Make it fat. Oh. Well, it's hailing again now. Wow. I just came outside and it just starts this again. Must be my luck today. Oh well. I just need a battery. Here's one. 2 amp hour on the Milwaukee. That size looks like a 17. I'm right. Let's break that off. Out in a jiffy. Not there. Now we use a hammer. A few light taps on the side of the knuckle. Okay, alright. And a few harder taps on the side of the knuckle. There it is. Falls right out. And then we'll spin this off. So 1 turn, 2 turns, 3 turns. 15.5 turns. Alrighty, so that's what we're gonna need to put it on to take it off. 15.5. Then we'll spin the jam nut off. 15.5. Get this guy out of the way. Yeah. Jam nuts off. Slide off this old plastic piece. Garbage. Then we can take off the boot. So the boot is held on by a zip tie. So we gotta cut the zip tie. Does it get in there? Oh, here, you can't really see. But let me show you. Held on by a zip tie over in that corner here. Then we pull the whole boot off. Then we slide the new one on. And then we put it, we clamp it or do whatever. And yeah. Alrighty guys, so I'm just gonna cut that zip tie here real quick. It's currently hailing like crazy. So it's actually piling up on the ground right now. So just give me a minute here and I just gotta cut that. Oh, it's wet on the ground. Cut that zip tie with this knife. Like so. Okay, zip tie is cut. Take this knife back. rip this power steering boot off. There we go. That's the old power steering boot off. There we go. As you can see, oops, it's damaged up at the front. The back is not bad, but we'll garbage it. And yeah, so all right, back again. Now it's time to slide the new CV boot on, or I keep calling it the CV boot, the new power steering boot on. My lord. Slice open the package. It's open. Yep. This looks gonna be a little tight, I guess. Well, that wasn't supposed to happen. Friggin' him. This thing blew away on me. Alright. Okay. Well, this is gonna get more dirty. So, I slide the boot up. Slip that on. It's in there so it doesn't blow away. $15 1/2. And put this on. I just gotta stretch this boot over this hole and then put the clamp on. Let's get started. Alright, so let's see here. Just get it. Start to come over. What the heck? Oops. There's a new one, the old one. This hole is like way smaller. How are you supposed to fit that on there? Huh. That's gonna be tight. I don't even know if it'll stretch to get on there. Alright, well, here's what we're gonna try. Darn, it might work. Okay. Stretch a lot. Well, the sun's out now. Where's that pick I hit? Alright, let's try this here again. Let's get a part of it mounted up. Yeah. Also a hole in there. I'll be back in 1 second. Well, everybody, I'm fairly certain there is something wrong with this aftermarket replacement here, because this is the boot hole that was originally there. This is the boot hole that we got. Like, it fits inside. And yeah, so I'm just gonna put the old one on for now and just leave it. And I'll do some research, see if there's some sort of fix for it or whatnot. And yeah, so, or maybe I got the wrong part or something. So yeah, unfortunately we're not gonna be able to complete this part today, but well, I guess that happens. Hopefully next time I'll be able to finish it. Let me just assemble the thing. Throw in the jam nut, throw in the tie rod, and where's the tie rod? And the outer tie rod. Outer tie rod, where did you go? Oh, there it is. Good old 15 1/2 turns. Alright, start at the bottom. That sounds good. So start from the bottom. Right there, 1/2. Okay, so there should be one turn. That should be around there somewhere, anyways. Let's throw that up against there. I hope that doesn't sound like that when I'm driving. Oh well. I'll put the lock nut on. There we go. It's held together. It'll be fine. I'm just gonna clean everything up, and I think we're all done for today. Well, everybody, that's another wrap for working on 1985 Merkur XR4Ti today. Unfortunately, we got the oil change done, but we did not get power steering boot done due to the issues with the size of the hole that's supposed to go over the power steering rack. So, hopefully next time we're here, we'll be looking at a much better power steering boot or some solution to that issue. And yeah, if you like the video, make sure you subscribe, and also like the video too. And if you didn't like the video, feel free to dislike the video. And oh, okay, it's gonna be fine. And if you want to see more content, I have a playlist on my channel about my Merkur XR4Ti if you like more cars. And yeah, so peace.